What we have for you today is chicken tikka Baltimore style. What is Baltimore style? We're going to tell you in a minute. But before even we do that, if you're new to this channel and watching this video, please consider subscribing. And if you like the video, click on like and share it with friends and family. And those of you who already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. So first thing you do is to wash the chicken and then take it in a rag. And then you want to dry it really good. You don't want no water on the chicken. And today we're going to show you how to make it Baltimore style. How are we going to do Baltimore style? We're going to show you. So we take the chicken, we dry it really good. Once we have this all squared up, next thing we're going to do is to season our chicken. And now we're going to add our ingredients. So another thing we're going to do, we're going to chop these serrano peppers, finely chopped, and we're going to mix it with our ingredients. So let's do that. So as you can see, we got our serrano peppers already chopped. So we're going to add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of coriander, half spoon of cumin seeds, a little bit of paprika, some crushed peppers, spoon of garlic and ginger paste. We're going to squeeze 1 fresh lime into our mixing. And then we're going to add like 3 or 4 spoons of oil. Since we said this is going to be Baltimore style, so we're going to take Old Bay and put on top of the chicken, sprinkle on top. Old Bay is seasoning only available in Maryland, but you can buy online and I'll put a link to it. Apply it generously and then mix everything. And now we're going to leave it in the fridge for 2 or 3 hours before we start cooking. So here's what I do. I marinate them and put them in a plastic bag. And this way they stay marinated in the fridge. And what you can do, you can buy a whole lot of chicken and marinate and leave it in the freezer. And next time when you have to take it out, just thaw it and it's ready to go. But even if you marinate, this is good. So what we're going to do, we're going to start our coals here. A little bit windy here. Once they start burning, it just keeps on there. And once they're ready for cooking, we can spread them out. As you can see, it's so windy in the area right now. So if you see, our coals are burning really good, and now we're going to spread them out evenly so we can grill. So we got our grill set up and we're gonna wait for them to warm up a little bit before we start the chicken tikka thing.
Alright, I'm gonna cook. You gotta go down, Turbo. So now we're gonna put our chicken on the grill. Now we're gonna cover it so they can get cooked. So this is how our chicken tikka look like right now. They're cooking really good. So right now the smoke that's coming out of the grill is making me hungry. ये जो धुआं निकल रहा है ग्रिल में से और ये चिकन का जो जूस कोयलों के ऊपर गिर रहा है उससे एक इतनी अच्छी खुशबू निकल रही है कि दिल करता है कि अभी इनको खा लूँ। हाँ, लेकिन इंतज़ार करना पड़ेगा। तो देखते हैं क्या रिज़ल्ट निकलता है। तो आइए इसको खोल के देखते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है। It's been like good 10 minutes, but if you see it turn out really good, let's move this part a little bit up here. And so let's see. Oh wow, looks nice. So let's pick up the pieces that are done and we put them in the hot pot. This one looks good. It's done. Looks really good. So folks, this is it. This is how you do the chicken tikka. For those of you who are new to this channel and you're watching this channel, please consider subscribing. And if you like that video, please click on like and share it with friends and families. And those of you who already subscribed, thank you so much for your subscription. And meet you in another video. Bye bye.